They are the largest land animals on Earth, yet their hearts are even bigger than their bodies. This is not just story of elephants. This is story of family, memory, and survival. Who are elephants? Elephants are the largest living land mammals on the planet.
Elephants teach us patience. They teach us family. They teach us coexistence.
Elephants have one of the largest brain in the animal kingdom. They shout. They feel love. They feel grief just like humans. Elephants are known as ecosystem engineers. By breaking trees and spreading seeds, they help forests grow and grasslands survive. If we protect them today, they will continue to walk this earth tomorrow. This is not just their story. It is ours.